To make a fruit smoothie, first pour 1 cup, 240 milliliters of fruit juice, milk, or non-dairy milk into a blender. You can even use water if that's all you have. Then add half a cup, 120 milliliters of yogurt. Finally, add 2 cups, 300 grams of frozen fruit and blend on high until smooth. Pour your smoothie into a glass and enjoy. If you don't have frozen fruit, use fresh fruit instead and add 1 cup, 150 grams of ice. To make a delicious mango, pineapple, and kiwi smoothie, start by adding 1 cubed mango, 1 diced kiwi, and 1 cup, 200 grams, of cubed pineapple to a blender. Then, add 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of milk and 2 cups, 475 milliliters, of plain Greek yogurt. Blend on high speed for a few minutes, and enjoy.